Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of the Tapas app with good settings. Here on this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about Tapas app. Here on this page of app unfold, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.